Previously on FATASHVLOGS.
Take the dirt off my scalp, refresh my scalp, and re-moisturize my hair while it's in the box braids. I'm going to show you what I do. It's real simple.
Ghetto, enrich it, and DIY friendly and helpfully availability to my black communities. Okay? But anyway. So this fat ash, my booty flat. Don't worry, right? I just got done filming my 1 week update, and I literally just said
I'm not ready to take my hair down because I just did a week ago, and I was going to shift it to 2 weeks and then wash it and stuff. And yeah, like, before I had my box braids, I had braid locks. Before I had my braid locks, I had afro, I've had dreads, I've had natural hair my whole life.
and I'm used to washing my hair once a week. Right? I don't know. I can't go 2 weeks. I'm about to go crazy. I'm not gonna make it, so I'm gonna show y'all what I do to refresh my scalp without actually.
I'm drenching my hair in water because I do wash my box braids. But this got synthetic curls on it and stuff. I'm not gonna play with it. I don't want to do it, so I'm not gonna actually shampoo my goddess box braids. But when I redo my box braids without the goddess hair, I will show y'all how I shampoo my hair while it's in box braids. But right now I'm gonna show y'all how I refresh my scalp. I'm gonna show y'all what I do. It's real simple.
First of all, you gonna need like some baby wipes, or you need something. I'm finna use baby wipes, and what I'm gonna do is this is salt ghetto, enrich it, and DIY friendly and healthy.
Put the alcohol on the baby wipe.
It's 50% isopropyl alcohol.
You wanna just take the wipe, your finger, and you wanna take this shit across your scalp, okay?
Woo! And as you can see, dirt starts to lift off your scalp, and it's very beautiful.
And you ain't gotta get no, you know what I'm saying, shampoo and stuff like that. You just take the baby wipe and take it across your scalp.
Just get more alcohol. Now you do want to be careful with this because this is alcohol, and alcohol is very drying. Very drying.
To your hair and scalp. Okay? Very dry. But it is a great cleansing agent, and it does absorb, you know, the readily available dirt off of your scalp and get you feeling better and stuff.
I'll just do the middle of my head and show y'all what I do next. So much better already, y'all. I'm trying to tell you.
They sell this. I did have the cleansing spray. It was like
Talia YG.
It was like a refreshing cleansing spray, and it was green isopropyl rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle with like different moisturizer agents. So I was like,
Dang, if Talia YG sell this and it's literally alcohol, I could do this, you know? I could really make this.
so after you do the alcohol,
I do alcohol, rose water, micellar water, rose water, oil. That's how I do it. Just
to make sure to balance off the alcohol. So you go in with the rose water, and you want to spray a lot, okay? You want to like
dump your head. Like, you don't want your braids to be dripping wet, but you do want to wet your hair and your scalp because it helps the alcohol and the micellar water work better onto the baby wipe.
I don't have micellar water. It's just
So makeup remover, safe for your skin on your face, so it's safe for the skin on your head. You know what I'm saying? This will make your braids frizzy, but it will make your scalp feel a lot better. So now I feel like, you know, I can make it. I ain't itching up a Stormiana no more. If you've never done this, trust me, it is safe and friendly.
I've never done this and had scalp problems. My scalp's never broken out from doing this or anything like that. If anything, my scalp will break out from going over a week and not washing my hair or doing something to my scalp. So, I don't think the camera picking it up very good.
But I'm just trying to show y'all the dirt that did come up. And I'm gonna do one more baby wipe.
With micellar water, and after the third baby wipe with micellar water, I'm gonna go back in with the rose water. And
Moisturize it with some oil, and I'm gonna go lay down in this seat. I already feel a lot better. So if you have never did this, I would say try it. It ain't gonna hurt to try it. I like this process. I would rather wash my hair once a week, but I did just do my hair, and I don't feel like wasting. I don't feel like redoing it. I'm not young no more. I'm 22. I don't have the same patience I used to have, and I was never really that patient to begin with. Let's be honest. So give this method a try, and comment down below and let me know what you think. And I will see y'all in about 2 more weeks. I don't even know. YouTube be making me into a time traveler, y'all. Woo! This feels so good. Y'all don't get into it, man. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all later. Let me see y'all later. Look at this.